So we have this problem of distinct numbers wherein we are provided with n integers, and our task is to calculate the number of distinct value in the list. So if you look at the input and output, you would understand key first we are provided with 5, so we will take in 5 numbers as input. Then we are given the numbers like 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Now our job is to output the distinct numbers. जैसे कि इधर 2 and 3 are distinct numbers, so our output will be 2. Now this question can be solved in multiple ways, like we could use a vector, and we could iterate over it and find the distinct numbers. We could use a map and print out and push all the elements into the map and print out the size of it. Or I think the best possible way to solve this problem would be to use either a set or an ordered set. Now we need to take care of the time complexity. That is the time complexity of set in insertion and deletion would take around O log n, and the best possible case of time complexity for an ordered set would take O1, but we need to keep in mind the worst possible case is On because of hash collisions. It goes up to On. So my suggestion would be to first implement unordered set, and if we get TLE, time limit exceeded, we would shift to set, and it would probably work. So the code would look something like this. So in the first line we have, forget about these two lines. So the first line we take in the input size, and then we define the set. For that set we need to include this header file hash include set, and we'd run a for loop. Inside the for loop we are inserting st.insert. Now this would take O log n time complexity each time we are implementing this, and at the end, now we know that set takes in only the unique values. जैसे पहले if we are inputting 2 we will get 2, then we are inserting 3 we will get 3, again you are inserting 2, so it won't insert anything, and again at the end we are inserting 3, so it would not insert anything. So we would only have in the set st we will only have 2 and 3. So at the end we are outputting st.size. St.size will output the size of the set, which in case is 2. So 2 will be our answer.